In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on your Wix website. Customizing your website's background is a fantastic way to inject some personality and style, making it more appealing to your visitors. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this with just a few simple steps. First, go to the Wix website editor, and once you're on the main dashboard, locate and select the icon that takes you to the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your site. It's like the canvas where you create your masterpiece. Next, look for the Site Design option, which is usually found on the left side of the screen. By clicking on Site Designs, you open up a variety of styling options that allow you to change different design elements on your page, including the all-important background. Now, to change the background, click on Page Background. This opens up the panel where you can choose how you want your background to appear. Here you'll have multiple options to set a background that truly matches your website's theme and purpose. The color option is your first stop. Clicking on Color allows you to choose a solid color background. This is great if you want something clean and minimalistic. You can select from a spectrum of colors or insert a hex code if you have a specific color in mind. This is a simple way to bring uniformity and a professional look to your site. If you prefer something more dynamic, click on Image. Here you can select an image that captures the essence of your brand. Wix provides a library of stock images, or you can upload your own for that personalized touch. Simply click Upload Media and choose an image file from your device. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see a selection of images to choose from. Pick the one you want and click Change Background. This sets the image as your site's background. For an even more engaging background, you have the option to click on Video. Like images, you can choose a video from Wix's media library or upload your own media. A background video can add movement and life to your site, making it more captivating. Once you find the perfect video, click on Upload Media if you're adding your own, or select a video and click Change Background to finalize your choice. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully changed the background on your Wix website. Customize as much as you'd like until you're satisfied with the look and feel. With Wix's versatile editor, the possibilities are endless. Have fun exploring different backgrounds to make your site truly yours.